Hello everyone, this is the SB Farms. We have grown custard apple, which is completely natural, and we have not used any chemical fertilizers or pesticides, fungicides, nothing. So we have left it to ripe it natural way. You can see natural way in the sense like we have kept it as grown in a forest. So good for health, and also you can see the quality of the fruit is also good for health. We can have it and maintain our good health. Like, share, subscribe, and comment your opinion. Also share this to maximum number of people to get the advantage of natural way of growing fruit, and also they can have this fruit in its very natural form. Watch this video till end, and like, share, subscribe to my video channel.